several years back, we were evaluating our options in regard to 1-ton containers, which, of course, your product line, the ChlorTainer product line, addresses, and really found out there were not a whole lot of options for those kind of vessels, even though they're found all over the country and in commercial and municipal applications. So this is not a unique issue, not a unique risks in regard to the use of these container closures. They're used extensively in all those arenas I just mentioned. And our company in particular was saying, what are the options we have to ensure that what's inside these containers stays inside? And then if it were to have a breach of the container closure, which happens from time to time, what are our options for ensuring that the materials inside don't harm any of our employees or the public? And then we found was your solution, the ChlorTainer solution, which is very simple, mechanical, full containment solution for the 1-ton container, so that if it does develop a leak for whatever reason, which can happen, that with no human action required, you've got full containment of whatever material is inside of the 1-ton container. Super beneficial in that requires no human response, right? It's a passive system, not heavily instrumented. There are a few, pressure indicators and gauges and things, but by and large, it's a mechanical system. Very simple, not a lot of maintenance required. So that's ultimately what we chose for the site. I think if you gave any employee the option of, hey, if a leak develops, you'll have to implement emergency procedures, don some type of personal protective equipment, evacuate the area, establish a perimeter, call the appropriate emergency response departments in your community, the state police, the fire department, or have full container closure. And essentially, yeah, sure, it's still an incident, but it's an incident that is going to be orders of magnitude less than what I just described in the first instance. Any employee of any company is going to prefer that. And that's why really that first option, quite honestly, is what most large chemical plants, manufacturers already have emergency response teams in place. And so oftentimes they are reluctant to invest in engineering solutions like this. But I believe that the best, what I would call the standard of excellence for this type of 1-ton container, process safety mitigation is an engineering control that prevents the leak from ever getting to your employees or to the general public or to the environment to begin with. Complete containment from the get-go is the gold standard.